Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using these wood rings I got from Amazon and this yarn I got from Dollar Tree. I add some hot glue to one of the rings and place on the yarn and then just wrap that all the way around until I have it completely covered. And then hot glue at the end to close that up, and I do that to both rings. And the sizes are just about 2 3/4 and 2 1/4. I then take those two and I add a little bit of hot glue to hot glue them together. Take another piece of yarn and I'll be adding some hot glue again where the two meet and then wrapping some yarn around the two. I take this ticking fabric that I got from Amazon and I had just ripped a strip of that and I wrap that around where the two meet a couple times and then knot that. I trim up the ends a little bit and then I add some hot glue to keep that down into place. Trim them up a little more as needed and then cut slits across the bottom and then kind of just spread those out. I then take another piece of the yarn on the top smaller ring and knot that around the top. And this will be the hanger. I then make a loop, just making sure that it'll be big enough, and then knot that at the top, cutting away the excess. Next, I'll be making a hat. So I take this giant craft stick I got from Walmart and I cut a piece of that and sand the edges so they're a little bit more rounded, not so pointy. Then take the small craft stick that came from Dollar Tree and I cut that down for the brim of the hat, and I'm using Fisker shears to cut that down. Those I get from Amazon. I sand the smaller piece and then hot glue that to one end of the larger craft stick. I tape that down and paint both sides. And for that I used black chalk paint by Waverly. Next, I'm taking that ticking fabric again and I'm just cutting a really small strip of that. And I'm taking tacky glue and brushing that on right above the rim of the hat on the front. Place down the fabric. And then on the back, just do the same thing with the tacky glue to keep that into place. And then I just hot glue that hat to the top of the snowman. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.